Hi, this is Malini. Today I'm going to show you these beautiful, cute, and easy to make succulent pumpkin centerpieces. I chose to do mini pumpkins. You can actually make larger pumpkins, so you can actually buy a larger pumpkin and then basically apply the same method. Let me just show you some of the tools I basically need. I need a glue gun, and I need glue sticks. Again, any kind of glue gun you have at home, or glue sticks, that whatever size that works for you, or whatever you have at home will be fine. Then I have assorted cuttings. This one I didn't actually have a cutting of, but you can actually take this out and remove as much soil and maybe a little bit of roots, but still keep some roots intact. And you can use it as a nice rosette, like a centerpiece here. So what I usually aim for is to have a centerpiece like this in the center, and then I just build around it. Just like if you make a succulent container garden, you can apply that same method with making your own succulent pumpkin centerpiece. Before you add your succulents, you want to hot glue colorful moss. I use a combination of green moss with a little bit of orange. It's got to give it a different colors, a different texture. And I mix that up, but I hot glue it first and then add the moss. And then I arrange my succulents the way I want it. Again, I use this, for example, this is like the rosette, right? And you put that in the center. And basically what you do is that you would hot glue, for example, this side, and then you would just insert it as quickly as possible. Sometimes I actually wear gloves so that I don't burn myself, which actually I tend to do. So gloves will actually be very handy for me, but you don't have to use gloves. That's not necessary, that's optional. These actually are not glued on. This is actually, has a hole in it that has a little opening, so you can actually plant inside it. You can put this on your coffee table, you can give it as gifts. Typically I spray it about once a week. These are decorative pieces. They're not meant to last, but after this is gone, then you can pull the succulents out and plant that in soil or in the yard. So these are great, fun and easy do-it-yourself crafts that you can actually enjoy making with your children or with family or friends, and you can give it away or make one for yourself. I'll also put a link to a video on a succulent pumpkin centerpiece that I actually did several years back, and you can take a look at that, and that hopefully will be fun for you to watch. Thank you for watching.